Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Here's an informative tutorial on using Java servlets with jdbc, Java database connectivity. This tutorial will guide you through the steps of creating a simple web application that connects to a database, retrieves data, and displays it on a web page. ### prerequisites. 1. Java Development Kit, JDK, make sure you have JDK installed on your machine. 2. Apache Tomcat, download and install Apache Tomcat Server to run your Java servlet. 3. Database, you can use any relational database, example MySQL, PostgresQL. For this example, we will use MySQL. 4. JDBC driver, make sure to download the appropriate JDBC driver for your database. ### Step 1, set up your database. 1. Create a database, connect to your MySQL server and create a database. 2. Create a table, create a simple table to hold data. 3. Insert sample data, insert a few records into the table. ### Step 2, set up your Java project. 1. Create a new dynamic web project in your IDE, example Eclipse. 2. Add JDBC driver, add the JDBC driver jar file to your project's build path. If you're using MySQL, download mysql connector java x.x.x.jar and include it in your web inf/lib directory. ### Step 3, create a servlet. Create a new Java class for your servlet. Here's an example of a simple servlet that connects to the database and retrieves user data. ### Step 4, web.xml configuration. If you are not using annotations, you need to configure your servlet in the web.xml file located in the web inf directory. ### Step 5, run your application. 1. Deploy the application, deploy your web application to the Tomcat server. 2. Start Tomcat, start the Tomcat server. 3. Access the servlet, open a web browser and go to http://localhost 8080/your_project_name/users. ### Conclusion. You should see a list of users displayed in a table. This is a simple example of how to use Java's servlets with JDBC to interact with a database. You can expand this example by adding functionalities like inserting, updating, or deleting records. ### Additional notes. Always handle exceptions properly and close your database connections. Consider using a connection pool for managing database connections in a real-world application. Look into using JSP, Java Server Pages, for a more dynamic web interface. This should give you a good starting point for building Java web applications using servlets and JDBC.